Next, I will show you how to finish sewing the top side of your tag blanket. As you can see, we've sewn together each of the two squares, and using an iron, I've pressed open the seam so that the fabric is going in the opposite direction, so it's pressing open that seam. Now placing the two sets of squares next to one another so you see the design of your pattern, you will put together the two sets of squares, and again, so that the right sides of the fabric are facing one another. Now this step is important because you need to make sure that your seams of the two squares are aligned with one another. So I start at the center, and using two pins right here at the center, I will pin open my seams on both sides. And this is important so that when you sew, it does not bunch up the fabric. And I start at the middle, again, to make sure that my seam is aligned, and then I work my way out. Again, making sure that the fabrics are aligned on the top edge. Once you've finished pinning, then you'll again go to the sewing machine and sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Right along this edge.